Every year, 2.5 million people are involved in car crashes in the U.S. That's a car accident every 31 seconds, causing thousands of casualties. People are stressed. People are distracted. Public areas are becoming places where we have to be more and more careful every time we leave our home these days. My name is Joe Fitzgerald. I spent 11 years in law enforcement. My job was to put the pieces of crashes back together again. And these were the crashes resulting in serious injury or death. I would be required to tell families that someone they love and care about isn't coming home anymore. It was only 5 years ago when I learned that my own brother had been killed in a traffic crash. It's for those reasons that I now make a living educating people of all ages and backgrounds about traffic safety. As a driver education instructor, I can tell you that we are producing less qualified drivers than ever before. There is a singular piece of technology that can ensure security for your loved ones and your assets. Introducing the Proof FR300, the first auto camera security system of its kind. The system provides full HD quality and AGC night vision. It's got a built-in vibration sensor including two-way audio. The system includes the Proof app that provides second-by-second monitoring of your vehicle. Having this system plays a pivotal role in court. It can provide proof and accountability for something as simple as a careless shopper to a hit and run. You will get a real-time alert the moment any type of impact occurs. Want to know where your car has been in the last day? Activate the location history and you can see through Google Maps exactly where your car's traveled. The built-in vibration sensor coupled with the two-way audio allows you to let a prospective thief know that they are on camera. Let's see how their behavior changes now. Having unequivocal proof of the facts is imperative even when dealing with law enforcement. You can have peace of mind in the palm of your hand. This product is revolutionizing the way we drive. This one little device is making a major impact on people's lives. Mel T says, "I cannot tell you how grateful I am to have a Proof installed in my car. A guy driving like a maniac sideswiped my car and sped off. I got his license plate and we had our day in court. My car is totally fixed without a penny out of pocket." Amazing little device. The greatest feature of the Proof FR300 system is that vehicle owners can have peace of mind in the palm of their hand, knowing that their loved ones and their assets are secure and protected.